like, comment, share the videos and subscribe Academic Mind.
Welcome you all to the Academic Mind YouTube channel. Let's learn adjectives. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Adjectives is one of them. Adjectives are the words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns. Here are some examples for adjectives: enormous, smart, silly, yellow, fun, fast. Adjectives can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. These are the adjectives which describe the quantity of nouns. So here are some 4 sentences given with adjectives. Number 1. I have a yellow dress. The noun dress is described by the adjective yellow. Yellow is a color, so all the colors can be adjectives. Second sentence. It was an enormous building. The noun building is described by the adjective enormous. Enormous means very large. Number 3. Smart girls work in banks. Now in this sentence, the noun girls is described by the adjective smart. Fourth sentence. There are many students in the class. The noun students is described by the adjective many. So, adjectives can be placed before a noun to describe its quality. The adjectives come in 3 forms: positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Here you can see some examples with some nice pictures. Look at the 3 apples given in the picture. They are of 3 sizes. The first apple is big, and the second apple is bigger, and the third apple is the biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. So big indicates the positive degree, bigger indicates the comparative degree, and the biggest indicates the superlative degree. Look at the next 3 pictures. There you can see some animals. In the first picture, there you can see a small bird. Small indicates positive degree. Look at the butterfly next to the bird. The butterfly is smaller. Smaller indicates the comparative degree. Now look at the beetle in the third picture. Beetle is the smallest. Smallest indicates the superlative degree. So, positive, comparative, and the superlative are the 3 degrees of adjectives. Let's learn about the positive degree of adjectives further. It is the base form of the adjective. It does not show comparison. Look at the examples given here. Number 1. Kalani is a long river. So here, the river Kalani is not compared with any other river in our country. So this statement gives the basic idea about the river Kalani, and it does not show any comparison. Look at the second sentence. Oliver Twist is an interesting book. So here, the adjective interesting gives the idea about the Oliver Twist, and the book is not compared with any other storybook. The third sentence, The Game of Thrones is a good TV series that I have watched. Now here, the adjective good describes the TV series, but that particular TV series is not compared with any other TV series. So, here the adjectives long, interesting, good indicate positive degree of adjectives. Now let's discuss about the comparative degree of adjectives. The comparative degree is the form of an adjective takes to compare two things. Look at the example sentences. Number 1. Mahavali is longer than Kalani. So here the adjective longer, which is in comparative form, compares the two rivers Mahavali with another river Kalani. The second sentence, Village by the Sea, is more interesting than Oliver Twist. Now in this sentence, the two books, Village by the Sea and the Oliver Twist, are compared with each other. The adjective used for that is more interesting. Third sentence, the Spellbinder TV series is better than the Game of Thrones. Now in this particular sentence you can see the adjective better is in comparative form and it is used to compare the two TV series, the Spellbinder and the Game of Thrones. Now look at how the comparative degree of adjectives are formed. The simple way to form the comparative form of adjectives is to add er to the positive degree of adjective. For examples, you can see there are 5 given: small, smaller, big, bigger, pretty, prettier, beautiful, more beautiful, bad, worse. Now, in the first example, you can see we have just add the letter group er at the end of the positive form of the adjective small to make its comparative degree. In the second one, you can see the words like big, which ends with G, gets doubled when the comparative degree of the adjective is formed. So the spellings will be B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. In the third word, pretty becomes prettier by adding I-E-R. So there you can see in the positive form of the adjective ends with Y, and if it is a consonant letter before Y, so you have to change the letter Y into I and then add ER, like pretty, prettier. In the fourth word, there you can see more than 4 letters, beautiful. So the comparative form is formed by adding the extra word more before the adjective. And in the fifth one, there you can see that is not similar to the other patterns of the adjectives given. It is a irregular form. So bad, worse. That is the comparative form. Now let's discuss about the superlative form of the adjectives. Superlative degree is the form of an adjective or an adverb takes to compare 3 or more things. First example, Mahavali is the longest river in Sri Lanka. According to this sentence, the river Mahavali is compared with more than 2 rivers in Sri Lanka. What is the superlative form of the adjective? The longest. Second sentence, Madol Duva is the most interesting novel that I have ever read. So, according to this sentence, this person is comparing the book Madaldur with other books that the person has read. So, the superlative form of the adjective is most interesting. The third sentence, The Swiss Family Robinson is the best TV series that I have ever watched. So, in this sentence, the superlative form of the adjective is the best. Now, let's see how the superlative degree of adjectives are formed. So, you have to do adding est to the positive degree of the adjective to make it superlative degree. Small, smallest. So simply the letter group est has added at the end of the word small. The second one, big, biggest. As I explained you earlier, the last letter G get doubled before you add est to the adjective. Big, biggest. The third one, pretty, prettiest. The rule of the spelling change is same, so you have to change y into I and then add est to form the superlative degree of the adjective of pretty. Pretty, prettiest. The fourth one, beautiful, most beautiful. In the comparative form, we add the special word more before the positive form of the adjective beautiful, but here in the superlative form, we are adding the word most. So it is most beautiful. In the fifth one, the superlative degree of bad is worst. It is an irregular form of forming the superlative degree of the adjective. So, forming 3 degrees of adjectives is very simple. Like, comment, share the video and do subscribe to the YouTube channel Academic Mind. Thank you and have a great day.